and wash it. My hair is supposed to be but how my hair actually becomes, every time I would wear these lenses, I would be like, अंधे को सहारा दे दो भाई. This might be white perfect, but it ain't perfect for me, bitch. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and today I am just in a mood to rant a little, okay? I just have collected a bunch of things that, girl, do not waste your money on these things, because this is literally, okay? So if you want to know all the beauty products that Boss Lady is cancelling right now, please keep watching. First up, I'm going to start off with a little bit of hair, because I feel like nobody really talks about like hair products that don't work. And let me be very clear, this ish does not work. At least for me, it does not work. This is supposed to be some extraordinary oil concentrated mask. After I put it on my hair and wash it, my hair is supposed to be but how my hair actually becomes is jhadu. So I'm like, I really don't know what is up with this. I thought that this has oil in it, so it should be more nourishing and like more, like it says very dry hair also over here, which I have, and it doesn't do anything for my hair. It is so disappointing. And I know a lot of people say that this is amazing, but I don't know what kind of hair type they have. I have used this before I had color treated hair, after I had color treated hair. This is just... Next up is this toner. This is the L'Oreal White Perfect Clinical. Like I can't even finish the whole name of this, because in my head I'm like, the time that you read White Perfect, girl, why the fuck did you even pick this up? Why? But clearly I was not in my senses when I picked this up, so I don't think I can really blame the product of this so much, because I just feel like I picked up the wrong kind of toner for me, and it just doesn't do anything. I feel like it broke me out even more, and it's also is very like alcohol-y. I just like, for acne prone skin such as mine, stay clear from this. You don't need that kind of whiteness or negativity in your life. So yeah, like this might be white perfect, but it ain't perfect for me, bitch. Next up is this Body Shop Drops of Youth Liquid Peel Exfoliant. So what this is supposed to do is, this is like a concentrated form of like a peel off mask. So you wash your face and then you kind of use this sort of like a scrub, and then you feel like your dead skin cells are peeling off. The concept is great. I have to give it to them. The concept is really great. I think there is something from Pact also which is similar to this. But Pact I don't have in Dubai. So I wanted to give this a go, and it just leaves my skin feeling so dry. And I have really like oily skin, but I don't want my skin that stripped of its natural oils either. As soon as I use it, literally like my skin feels like So I don't know why anybody would want to do that to their skin. It's not recommended, and ये तो मतलब रहने ही दो. I know it's called Drops of Youth, but maybe I don't want to be that youthful. Next up is this concealer crayon thingy-majiggy right here. It is by Pact, and I have to say that I love a lot of products from Pact, but मतलब क्या है ये? Like why? Why would you do this to my under eyes? I put you under my eyes, and once I blend and I put powder on top, you have separated. on my under eyes. Duh. I feel that it's amazing. You know why? Because once I put it under my eyes, it just separates. And it becomes like this big blob of nothingness. And then once I put powder on top of it, it just separates even more, which is, girl, that is such a look that I'm going for. I feel like that should be the new under eye trend, like separated and crumbly under eyes. How about that? Yeah? I know Pact makes a ton of amazing products, and I actually like majority of the products that Pact releases, but this was just girl, save your money on this one. This new Pact concealer though, girl. Now that we are on the topic of makeup, I cannot do this video without mentioning Miss Huda Beauty herself. I think she makes some of the best eyeshadow formulas, but this foundation though, girl, why would you put concealer in a bottle like this and call it foundation? If I want concealer, I will go get a concealer. If I wanted to put concealer all over my face, I would just get a concealer and put it all over my face. I don't need it to be sold to me in a form of a bottle of foundation. You feel me? This is so thick and heavy. I just can't. And it honestly breaks my heart to even tell about this in like things that I would definitely not recommend, is because I literally feel my pores clog when this is on my face. Like, so yeah, girl, I love you. I think you make bomb products. Maybe it's time for you to sell actual foundation, not concealer in such a big bottle. Thoda consider kar lo yaar, please. Last but definitely not the least, a lot of you guys keep asking me, oh, what lenses are you wearing? Ooh, what are you wearing in your eyes? What lenses are you wearing? What colors are those? And for a very, very long time, I used to use these Fresh Look contact lenses. The ones that I have here are the hazel ones. But bhai, can I be real with you guys? Every time I would wear these lenses, I would be like, अंधे को सहारा दे दो भाई. I literally couldn't see anything with these lenses on. I feel like they irritate my eyes so much, and they just I mean, they're fine if you want to wear it like once in a while, like just one time, and you're okay with not being able to see anything. But if you want to be able to see, and if you want your eyesight and like your eyes to be functioning, I wouldn't recommend these. And initially when I was in India, I thought that these are the only kind of cosmetic lenses that are popular and available, so there's nothing else that is there. But coming here to UAE, I was like opened up to the plethora of brands and amazing eye contact lenses that are available here. And the ones that I really like are, I think they're called Bella, and they are amazing. And they don't irritate my eyes. They feel so soft. They're also easier to put on and put off. They last a really long time. So nah. So yes, that is everything that I think I want to cancel today. But I do have to say that I had nothing against these companies or anything of that sort. These are just products that did not work out for Moe. So it doesn't mean that it doesn't work out for you. If any of these things do work out for you, please let me know like what kind of skin type you have and why you like these products. So maybe somebody who is out there who's in the similar kind of skin type and stuff as you would find these things helpful. I just wanted to share like a bunch of things that did not work out for me. So yes, I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, and if you don't na, Mata Rani तुम्हें कभी माफ नहीं करेगी, देख लेना. So yes, that is it for today. I hope you press that notification bell so you are notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.